Hello everyone. Today is my second day in my office, and uh, and today is the same day as yesterday, and today is my client did give me the one website, same thing, the oneassist.in, and he told me learn about all these and understand the document and understand the business rule and products. And same thing, I'm learning the technologies, what technologies use on the oneassist.in, and the services provided the customer the via the one assist. So same thing, I'm learning the properly because uh, any day my client asks me for all the details, so I'm prepared the carefully and properly the website technologies, and what is the means of the website, and what kinds of the service provided the side from the uh, c- provide the service with client. And same thing, and I'm so now today's I'm learning in the our learning the our JavaScript, and practice same thing, practice the JavaScript. So now today is I'm again preparation the returning a value in JavaScript. So first of all, I'm showing the small example in the written the value in the JavaScript. So first of all, we will create the one function. Function add, then a comma b, and sorry, then I mention the console.log a plus b. Then we will mention the function call option, because we want to the answer on the console. So again we will mention the console log function call option, add 5 comma 6, right? Yeah. So we will save the our file, and go to the browser, and go to the browser and open the console, and showing the answer is 11. Okay. This side is mention the our 5 plus 6, and is it the return value option. So what is the return value option? So I'm showing the return value option, and actually this side is we can mention the document, right? Showing the is written the same answer, document dot write. Okay. Again we will save the file and go to the browser. But now this time answer is showing on the page, because I'm using the document dot write, so that's why answer is on showing the page. But when we are using the console dot log, so answer is showing in this console file. Okay. So again go to the our function. So now this time, so now we are the learning the return value option. So mention the return A plus B. Okay, and second again I'm calling the function. So after using the return function, then we will be mention uh, the call function in the second. Uh, Actually, we wanted the this answer in the another file. Means first of all we will create the one variable. Let C is equal to add 5 comma 6 like uh, actually I want to the answer in the under the C. Okay, so this side I did create the one variable name of C, and we want to the answer under a C. Okay, so then mention the document dot write, because we want to the answer on the on the front of the index, so file. So that's where regarding I'm mentioning the document dot write, and call log function C, and like this. Okay, so again save the file, and again go to the browser and refresh the page. Answer is showing 11 under a C. Okay, so now we can mention the this is the return option. So the uh, if I am mentioning the one number. Okay, so if so what kind of return the answer on the in front of the me. So let's see what type the answer if we provide the actually return is only giving the return is 1, because I'm using the return option. So any type of number mentioned with mention the return, so only return provide the same the answer. Like I'm mentioning the 78, and again we will save the file and go to the browser, and answer is showing is 78. Okay, so and if we will be comment the return option, so what provide the answer, what will you provide the answer. So like, okay, so uh, uh, are you thinking answer is provide the 11, because I'm using the function a plus b, and I'm mentioning the if c values of a values of 5 and 6. So are you thinking is the answer is 11, but no. So again we will save the file and go to the browser. Answer is only showing is undefined, because I'm not using the return function. Okay, so that's why he is showing the undefined option. So now I'm again provide the information in the short form. Actually return option is only give me the answer in the return value. Means I'm mentioning the 78, so return is provided the 78. Means uh, we can mention the any option, any numbers on the under the return, so return is provide the same the answer. Okay, so now our topic is close, and thank you.